Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Beauty Spotlight Hair Goals. I'm Haruyo, and I'm so happy you are here. Before we begin, take a moment to think about your own hair. What would you like to improve? I bet that if I asked 10 people about their hair, I'd probably get 10 different answers. Maybe you want more volume, maybe you want less frizz, or healthier curls, or more moisture, or just really a good hair day. That's what I love about today's Beauty Spotlight. There is no single hair goal that's right for everyone. The best hair goal is the one that's right for you. Today, we're going to explore 4 hair goals. Whether you're looking for more volume, a healthier scalp, or a little extra moisture, or a little repair after a busy summer, we have wonderful options to help you get there. So, let's get started. If your hair goal is lift and volume, I am excited to introduce a new Organist product, the Camellia and Collagen Volumizing Shampoo. If your hair is fine or goes flat during the day, this shampoo is a great place to start. Have you ever noticed that some volumizing shampoos leave your hair feeling a little dry? You get the volume, but you lose softness. What I like about this shampoo is that it gives both. It helps your hair feel fuller and bouncier while leaving it feeling soft and nourished. And to me, that's the best combination. Because beautiful volume isn't about having huge hair. It's about movement, and it's about bounce, and it's about hair that looks healthy from every angle. So one of the ingredients here is camellia oil, which helps nourish and soften the hair without weighing it down. It also contains collagen, which helps hair feel stronger, thicker, and fuller. And PDRN helps enhance the appearance of volume by helping the hair look thicker. I really like using this product in the summer because summer is not always easy on our hair. We're outside more, we spend time in the sun, and some of us go swimming, and humidity seems to have a mind of its own. And then we add the blow dryers and the flat irons into the mix. By the end of the summer, our hair has been working overtime. Sometimes it becomes dry, sometimes it loses its bounce, and sometimes it feels oily much sooner than it used to. The good news is that your routine doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes choosing the right shampoo is the first step toward healthy looking hair. So welcome Camellia and Collagen Volumizing Shampoo. Our next hair goal is a healthy scalp. When we think about healthy hair, it's easy to focus on what we can see: shine, smoothness, fullness, or volume. But healthy looking hair really begins at the scalp. Think of your scalp as a foundation. When you take good care of it, you're giving your hair the best possible start. The wonderful thing is that it doesn't have to be complicated. Organist has created rosemary mint products that work together to help refresh, nourish, and care for your scalp in just a few steps. So let's begin before you even shampoo. The exfoliating detox water helps gently exfoliate and refresh the scalp by clearing up the excess oil, dry flakes, and buildup. I like to think of it as a reset button. It's one of those simple additions to your routine that can make a noticeable difference. After cleaning, the scalp fortifying oil and serum helps keep your scalp feeling moisturized and healthy without feeling heavy. Sometimes when people hear the words oil or serum, they imagine something heavy. But this product is light and is designed to refresh your scalp while helping it feel moisturized and comfortable. Now, for added nourishment, we have the hair strengthening oil. It is a 2-in-1 oil that cares for your hair and scalp. It helps nourish your scalp and refresh hair while adding moisture and shine. And now I like to share one of my favorite products for busy mornings, the dry shampoo. Let's be honest, not every day is a wash day, and sometimes we head to work, and sometimes we travel, and sometimes we had an appointment in 1 hour and just need a quick refresh. So this is the product that really shines. And I forgot, it's easy to put in your handbag, your gym bag, or your suitcase, and so it's always ready whenever your hair needs a little refresh. When you look at this entire Rosemary Mint collection, each product has its own purpose. And together they create a simple routine that helps support healthy looking hair from the beginning. Well, now that we've talked about volume and scalp care, let's move to our next hair goal: nourish and protect. The truth is that our hair goes through a lot: heat styling, changes in weather, tying it up and letting it down again. Busy mornings when we don't have much time but still want to look put together. So let's look at a couple of simple products that help support your hair through all of that. We have the Coconut and Peptides All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner. It is a lightweight spray that helps detangle hair, smooth frizz, and make styling more manageable. We all have those days when our hair feels tangled or just doesn't want to cooperate, and this product helps make your hair easier to manage and works well with any hair type. And for those of you with curls, this is especially helpful for keeping them looking defined and more controlled throughout the day. Now next is the Rice Water Moisture Replenish Hair Mist, and I need to shake this up a little bit so you can see. This is such a beautiful option for refreshing dry or tired looking hair during the day. Sometimes our hair just needs a little reset, just something light to bring it back to life. And this mist helps add moisture and softness, and the fragrance is fantastic. It leaves your hair feeling refreshed and looking healthier. And it's great for those midday moments when your hair feels a little dry or flat, or even the next day after styling when you want to revive your look. I like to think of it as a quick pick-me-up for your hair, and like I said, the fragrance is just fabulous. Easy, light, and always helpful when you need it. A little detangling, a little moisture, and a little care can go a long way. Now that we've covered daily nourishment and protection, let's talk about our final hair goal: repair and restore. Oh yes. This is where we give our hair a little extra care, not just daily support. And we're talking about treatments and masks for deeper care. You don't need to have all of them. You just need to simply choose the one that matches your hair goal. So let's start with the Rice Water Damage Care Treatment. If your hair feels dry or damaged, this is a great option. It helps nourish the hair so it feels softer, smoother, and more resilient. And it's great, I would call it, it's like a reset after sun or heat styling or everyday wear and tear. Now, if you want to have beautiful defined curls, then I got the product for you. The Coconut Peptides Hair Mask is a wonderful solution. We all know curls have a personality of their own. Some days they look perfect and the other days they need a little extra love and attention. And so this mask helps bring out beautiful curls and makes your hair feel softer and easier to style while showing off your natural texture. All right, let's see, what do we have next? My favorite. If you need deep hydration, the Algae Deep Moisture Hair Mask helps bring moisture back to dry, thirsty hair so it feels softer, smoother, and easier to manage and style. Now, if I were stranded on a desert island and could only bring one hair product with me, I think this would be the one. The Algae Deep Moisture Hair Mask would definitely would be coming along with me. Now, when I think about everything I've shared today, the message is quite simple. Beautiful hair doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from choosing the right steps for your hair. Whether you want more volume, a healthier scalp, more moisture, or a little repair and restore, there's an Organist option to support your hair needs. So, thank you for spending time with me today. Be sure to take advantage of the special offers while you're shopping with us, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.